Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust text field color in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option and select here edit down arrow and click on this text. Now click on this text box and I will make this two paragraph text same color. Drag your mouse cursor, select your text. Now click on this format option and select your field color down arrow and select text and see this, and also I'll make this text black color and this black, and see this. In this way you can adjust your text field color, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.